Good morning, guys. It's about just a few minutes before 7 this morning. Got some rainy weather. It's raining off and on all morning. It's going to rain on and off all day today. So, it's just sprinkling though. Going to get out there and drop a line in and see what we can do. It's Friday, September 11th. I just think back to 19 years ago when, all the planes crashed or hijacked on 9/11. It remembers exactly where you were when that happened, and you heard about it and saw it, and man, just really makes you think. Anyhow, if anybody in the service is watching this, thank you for your service. Any military, I don't know. I don't have a whole lot to say about that other than it just really makes you think about what could happen, and really appreciative that we have a military force to protect us as a country, and just really grateful for that. All right, let's go out and drop a line, take you guys along. I don't know what kind of noise the camera picks up, but I've got my rain jacket on, and the noise reminds me of whenever I go camping in the rain and you have all the rain hitting your tent. I like getting out in the rain. We had the Mondo on yesterday. I'm gonna throw that guy again and see what I can get. I think we might be able to hook a few this way. We'll see how that goes. Looks like there's only one duck out this morning. There's usually, about a dozen of them hang out here. Something pecking at it that feels like a bluegill. No, I don't know. That's a little bass. Yep. Look at that. You can tell when it's one of the littler guys because they peck at it like a bluegill. They don't. It's not like a big bass where they just, bite the heck out of it. And this guy got it in his, got it down in his throat a little bit. I don't know if you can probably see that. Get the pliers out. If we can't get it out right away, we'll do the ultra fancy hook removal trick. Let's take a look here. Mondo worm versus bass. Yep. He's just a little bit bigger. He's got a little bit of a belly on him. Just a little bit for his size. Let's let it go. I know some people think it's bad luck to catch them on the first cast. I don't know. I like catching a fish on any cast myself. Trying to take it. It's another one of those small bass. I think he's got it. We're gonna set the hook and see what happens. Nope, he didn't have it. He came back and pecked it again. He had the tail. I felt it pop right out of his mouth. Felt it pop right out of his mouth. Go back in there and see if we can get him again. Look at that. Oh. Did you guys see that? Man. So I started burning it in because I had a clump of grass, and that bass took a swipe at it, missed it. That's fun. There we go. There we go. Oh, man. Alright. I'm going to try one more time with this, and I'm going to go get my craw. Throw the craw. Alright, last cast. Last cast. Last cast. Alright, I'm going to hang it up, call it a day, call it a morning. I can't complain at all. I had a blast. So I have no idea how clear any of that was. I know yesterday I had my camera angle too high and I couldn't get a lot of the shots that I thought I was getting whenever I was recording. So hopefully I got a better camera angle today. You guys could see some of those blow-ups in the water and just kind of see everything. So yeah, it's a little bit wet outside. I had water falling off the rim of my hat the whole time I was fishing. So we'll see how everything turns out with the video. I think I rambled a lot in my initial intro, so just wanted to say thank you to all the men and women who serve our country, and really appreciate you guys and gals, and hope you make it a good day, and hope you get out and do some fishing. So thanks for coming along, really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.